Two productivity giants. One burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Asana, team collaboration made simple. And on the right, Things 3, beautiful personal task management. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Let me set the scene with a quick mind map. We're going to look at pricing, team collaboration, design and usability, platform support, and, features and functionality. That way, you get a full view of the battle between Asana and Things 3 before you make your choice. Okay, first up, pricing. So, Asana. If you want something free to get started with, Asana's got your back. Their free plan is decent for individuals or small teams. And if you need more muscle, their team plans are still totally fair at around $11.59 a month. Plus, there's a whole range of pricing tiers, which is kind of nice. But here's the catch. If you want the top-tier, nitty-gritty, advanced features, you're looking at $25.69 a month. Ouch. Now, switching over to Things 3, you only pay once. Yep, no subscriptions, which sounds awesome, right? But wait, there's a twist. That one-time purchase is a hefty $80 total if you want it across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. And yeah, you gotta buy each one separately. So in terms of price flexibility and value, Asana kind of swoops in and takes the win here. Moving on, let's talk about team collaboration. Now, here's where Asana really shows off. It's literally built with teams in mind. Real-time updates, assigning tasks, you name it. Plus, up to 500 folks can jump on the starter plan, which I think is wild. The downside, if you're just working solo, it can be a bit much, maybe even overwhelming. Things 3, though, this is the opposite vibe. It's super clean, distraction-free, and honestly, a joy to use by yourself. But team collaboration, there is none. Like, it's made for individual use only. So if you're after anything team-related, Asana totally owns this category. Now, design and usability. I love this part because, honestly, both apps have their strengths. Asana is intuitive once you get the hang of it, with multiple ways to view your projects like Kanban and Gantt charts. It's powerful, but it can be kind of complex if you're just starting out. On the other hand, Things 3, this is where it really shines. Elegant and minimalist, it looks and feels gorgeous. If design is everything for you, this one's honestly in another league. The interface is simple, clean, and just a pleasure to use. The trade-off? You don't get much in terms of customization, so it's more take it or leave it. Design crown goes to Things 3, no doubt. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Things 3 actually won an Apple Design Award for its interface. Like, that's not something you see every day. Pretty neat, right? All right, shifting gears to platform support. Asana's really killing it here. Web, desktop, mobile, whatever you're using, Asana's there. It just works everywhere, which is super convenient. The only catch? Some quirks with the interface depending on what device you're using, but overall, super flexible. Things 3, though, sorry Windows and Android fans, this one's strictly for the Apple people. The integration within the Apple ecosystem is seamless, and Things Cloud Sync does the job. But if you don't have all Apple devices, you're out of luck. So yeah, Asana runs away with this one too. Next up, features and functionality. Asana packs a punch. Timelines, Gantt views, forms, automations, customizing everything, even goal tracking. It's kinda a dream for anyone who wants their software to do all the things. The downside is it can get overwhelming if you just want simple task management. Things 3, though, it absolutely nails the basics. Big fan of the GTD flow here. You get quick task entry right with Siri, handy tags, and nice calendar integration. But if you want location-based reminders or serious project management, you'll notice the gaps. So as much as I love Things 3's simplicity, Asana wins again for features. Visual time! I'm laying out a radar chart showing the strengths and quirks of both apps, categories like pricing, teamwork, design, platform support, and all those features. You'll see how Asana's team and platform powers compare against Things 3's design finesse. Honestly, here's how it shakes out. Asana is the go-to if you're working with a team, or you want those supercharged features and flexibility. Things 3, that's your pick if you're solo, rocking Apple devices, and you love gorgeous design and a distraction-free space. So, Asana takes the win overall, but if you're an Apple soloist, Things 3 is seriously tempting. Feeling ready to level up? Why not try out both and see which one vibes with your workflow? Productivity boost incoming, folks.